Alright guys, we're back with another one. This time we're going to, looks like Queens, New York, I guess. And I'm not sure if they got stunt walls or what they got going on. This is my first time watching this video. I didn't watch this video in advance, so we're going to watch this one for the first time together. Y'all may already seen it, I'm not sure, but we're going to see what they got going on.
Loud music and drag racing at all hours of the night has become an ongoing concern for some city residents, wondering when it will stop so they can get some sleep. CBS 2's Jenna DeAngelis is live in Howard Beach with more. Jenna.
Well, Jessica, right now after 11 o'clock, it's quiet. But residents we spoke to here say when the clock strikes midnight, 1, 2 a.m., that's when the music starts.
At some point, it started to get disrespectful when you just played at 11 or 12 o'clock at night, and they saying y'all having a concert at 12 o'clock at night. It sounds like to me that's when y'all going to the nightclub or on the way or coming from it, that y'all are cranking up and giving it all you got. But let me know if you do this. Let me know in the comments.
It's a quality of life issue.
This is what neighbors hear from their Howard Beach homes in the middle of the night.
Oh, anytime there's nice weather, we know we're going to get a concert that evening. Maria
Asaro is a community partner for the 106 precinct, essentially a liaison in frequent communication with the NYPD to try and tackle this issue, which PJ Marcel has been capturing on video.
So this is last night on the Joseph Double Bridge.
Alright, let's stop and make sure I don't get that copyright. Yeah, y'all out there cutting up. Y'all see that kicker right there? You see that kicker in the trunk? Now, that single kicker ain't doing it. Now, I know that ain't keeping up all that noise. They gonna make it like it is.
And he recorded this shortly after we met Thursday.
Nah, he got some other things going on in there. Y'all can see it in there. Y'all might can see a couple little speakers in there. He probably got some speakers up under the vehicle. Ain't no way.
He started a petition to raise awareness to problems.
Gotta make sure I don't get that copyright, and gotta keep on pausing it and talking over it. Y'all know how they do it, and so we can get on through this video. They real mad about it. I don't know. I think it's a time and place for everything. I don't know if they going to the right place doing it.
Like this, seen in the Linden Center parking lot.
Had a congregation of almost 100 individuals blasting music as well as car revving.
They're fed up. People are actually selling their homes because of it, and that's not something we want to see.
Y'all driving the property value down. That's what they saying. Let me know if y'all do this down in the comments below and what you believe. I just want to know. It don't matter to me, but but they selling their homes because y'all keep on blasting this loud music they're saying.
Happen. The 104 precinct posting to Facebook.
There it is. That's what I was telling y'all about. They got somebody Chuchero or whatever the hell it's called. The Chichero or whatever it is. Yeah. I might be getting it wrong, but I know what I'm looking at. But they got somebody. And they snake. Not the snake, but the I don't know what this cable called that they plug into the little box, but the snake is the one that go to the box. I got one of them. But yeah, they got y'all. I see it. Let's see what they got here. Legal sign. Right. Confiscated for nuisance of illegal noise will not be tolerated in our community. Yep. Y'all better call PRV and Timpano and DS18, everybody. Y'all got to buy some more. Y'all better call somebody, cause they done got y'all concrete audio. Y'all better get back with them people so y'all can get back and make some noise, cause them folks taking it fast as y'all can get it. Look at it. They mad.
It confiscated illegal sound devices in Maspeth Sunday and issued 4 summonses. Queens residents praying for a continued crackdown citywide, worried
it's going to lead to more laws being broken. Drag racing, music competition, what's next?
Over the last year, there have been nearly 3.
Now, I don't really agree with this right here. You know how they get this going around in circles, and spinning out, and every time somebody always get hit, fall out the vehicle because they always hanging out. and they doing it just to put a clip online or whatever they doing. No, it's a place they do that at. You know, they got a racetrack for that type of stuff, where they got a little pit where you can go around and circle. Now I don't agree with this because they're putting a lot of people at risk right here when they do this. There's been people killed and locked up and stuff for this same little activity right here and drag racing in public places. But you know, they got a place for that. I don't know why people don't want to go to the real drag strip and do this. But you know, each his own. I won't do it. I ain't going to watch it either. But cause y'all be out there acting up, you know, and so forth and so on. I ain't gonna say what I want to say, cause it ain't really YouTube ready. But yeah, y'all acting a blank fool. I done probably said it anyway, but I ain't gonna keep on going. But let's finish the video on that.
3,000 drag racing complaints made to 311. That's 5 times the number of calls made the year before. 3 New York senators met along Broadway and Inwood Thursday, a popular racing strip, to announce proposed legislation to end loud and excessive exhaust pollution caused by street racing. They also want city speed cameras to operate 24/7.
They're turned off on nights and weekends, which is when the racing occurs. So there are no tools to catch these speed racers when they are actually happening.
He wanted to say criminals, but it wasn't quite the right word.
Neighbors we spoke to here say when the cops show up, the crowds disperse. So they're hoping for more overnight patrolling, especially before the anticipated spike with the summer. We're live in Howard Beach. Jenna DeAngelis, CBS 2 News.
All right, Jenna, thank you.
Yeah. Y'all cutting up over there in Queens over there, boy. Let me know how y'all do it down in the comments, man. If y'all let me know the issue, because they may not even have a place for y'all to do that at. So I need a good understanding of it. But it look like y'all going out all the way out, man. Look like y'all just don't care. But maybe that's not the case. Maybe they just they don't really give y'all a place y'all can go do that at, and y'all just trying to make the best of whatever you can, and it ain't no really meeting in the middle with them. I don't know. But let me know in the comments down below what you believe, and if this is okay. You know, if your opinion is, you know, if you think they're doing this the right way or the wrong way, or somebody from up there chime in and let us know how this go. But y'all be sure to like, subscribe, share the video, use the comments in the description to support the channel. I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one.